All right, let's talk about Ghost Blitz. This is a super fast-paced game all about observation and quick reflexes, and you can play it with anywhere from 2 to 8 people.
So, in this short explainer, we're going to cover everything you need to know to play your very first game. Let's dive right in.
So, what's the whole point of the game? Well, it's pretty simple. You just got to be the fastest. Your job is to snatch the correct item before anyone else does. Every time you get it right, you win that card. And, you guessed it, the player who has the most cards at the end wins the whole thing.
Okay, setting up this game is an absolute breeze. Let's get everything ready to go. First up, just take the 5 wooden items and pop them in a circle right in the middle of the table. You want to make sure everyone can easily reach them. Then, give the cards a good shuffle and place the whole deck face down. And last thing, everybody puts their hands flat on the table, getting ready for action.
All right, now we're getting to the fun part. The whole game really just comes down to 2 rules. They sound simple, but they can be a little tricky.
So here's how it works. A card gets flipped over, and you have to figure out which of those 5 items is the right one to grab. And you have to do it fast. Okay, rule number 1. This is the easy one. If an item on the card is the exact match for a wooden piece on the table, we're talking same shape and same color, you grab that piece. Simple, right?
So for example, take a look at this card. See that white ghost? Well, we have a white ghost piece on the table. That's an exact match. So what do? You grab the white ghost. Easy peasy.
But what happens when nothing on the card is an exact match? Well, that's where rule number 2 comes in, and this is where your brain gets a real workout. If no item on the card is the correct color, you have to grab the one piece that is completely different, the one whose shape isn't on the card and whose color isn't on the card either.
Let's walk through a tricky one. Okay, this card shows a blue ghost and a red mouse. So let's think. Is our wooden ghost blue? Nope, it's white. Is our wooden mouse red? Nope, it's gray. So, nothing matches. This means we have to find what's completely missing. Let's see, the card shows a ghost and a mouse. It shows the colors blue and red. What's not there? Well, there's no bottle of any kind, and there's no color green. That means you have to grab the green bottle.
Now, a word of warning. You got to be fast for sure, but you also have to be right, because if you jump the gun and grab the wrong thing, oof, you have to give up one of the cards you've already won as a penalty.
All right, so you keep playing like this. But how do you know when you've won?
It's pretty straightforward, really. You just keep flipping cards, grabbing items, and collecting those wins, round after round until you get all the way through the deck.
Once that last card is gone, the game is over. Everybody counts up their pile of cards, and whoever has the biggest stack, well, they are the Ghost Blitz champion. It's that simple.
Okay, now that you know the rules, want to know a little pro tip? This one comes straight from the rulebook, and it'll definitely give you an edge.
So here's the secret. Don't try to look at the whole picture on the card at once. Your brain will get overloaded. Instead, train yourself to scan for 2 things separately. First, just look for the shapes. Is there a ghost, a chair, a bottle? Then, scan for the colors. Do you see white, red, green? When you separate it like that, you can process the card so much faster.
And that's really all there is to it. You now know everything you need to play Ghost Blitz. So the only question is, how fast can you react?